Do you want to know how you can download QuillBot for your device? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can download QuillBot for your devices. Go ahead and open QuillBot.com on your browser and log into your account. After you have logged into your account, go ahead and click on any one of these. After you do so, go to the end of the screen and you can see this box-like icon. If you just hover around it, you can see some of the downloads which are available for QuillBot. So the first one is QuillBot for Chrome. If you want to add QuillBot as your Chrome extension, you can click this and QuillBot will be downloaded, or you will be taken to the Chrome store and QuillBot can be downloaded easily. If you want to download QuillBot for your Word, click on this and Microsoft Store will open up, and then you can download the QuillBot from the Microsoft Store quite easily. So go ahead and follow this and you can see that there will be Get Now option. Go ahead and click on it and you can download it as well. Now for the final option, or the second last option, there is QuillBot for Mac OS. So if you do have a Mac OS, then you can click on this. And the last one is QuillBot for Edge. If you want to add QuillBot as extension, you can click on QuillBot for Edge and you will be headed to the Microsoft Edge store, and you can click on download and you can easily download QuillBot. So guys, these are the various methods from which you can download QuillBot for your individual devices. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.